Hello. I want to warn you about the situation surrounding the DJI NEO drone. I have recently encountered a crazy problem with mine, resulting in it drowning into a lake. I wasn't aware until today of this problem. People are calling it the flyaway event. Searching online, I found that it is a well-known problem of this drone. I actually found and download 30 different videos from Reddit alone. Not everybody knows or have the last video of their drone, unlike me. So the actual number of cases might be way higher. Here is my video. The last video from my drone. I call him Neo. He gave his life for this video. You can see the satellite is 13 and stays good for the rest of the flight. The controller input are not the cause. You can see the joystick is not moving. As you can see, it wasn't caused by the wind, nor the controller input. It is the drone glitching out by itself and flying away. Here are other people's videos of the same problems.
Visual positioning failure unable to return automatically. Attitude mode.
The symptoms are always the same. The camera is jerking and the drone flies away at high speed at a 45-degree angle. Most of the time, it reaches high speed that are not even allowed. Enjoy this compilation.
Attitude mode. Visual positioning failure unable to return automatically. Pay attention to flight safety.
You might think it is caused by the water. Actually, most of these clips aren't on top of the water, but on the land. It is clearly a factory defect. Thank you for watching.